So here's a htc3001se. It's the same with the hts3001se as well, and I think just the same for the hts3001 non-se. But basically, I want to use banana plugs with these. If I take that out, there's this this plastic bung comes out. Easy way to get those out is to do this. Get a screwdriver or something, put that in there, and bash that until it comes out. What I found helped actually was to get some pliers with the grippy bits. Just get it on the end of this part here. Put some pressure on. It doesn't need to be particularly strong, but it just needs to grip it, and then you actually twist it so the plastic twists loose. So it just loosens it up a little bit, so that then when you get it on here, you can, there you go, pop. It just frees it up a little bit if it's been stuck on there for a long time, which it probably has, and it's very tight. Yeah, so screw that back in, and then I can get a banana plug in here.